G'day VideoDiary. I'm here in Puyallup, which is one of the suburbs of Seattle, and I got here yesterday afternoon, and you know, it was snowing, and as you can see, it just snowed and snowed and snowed overnight. We had about, you have a look at the tyre tracks there, probably about 8 inches of snow. It's just amazing. What a beautiful scene. Fancy waking up that every day. Well, not every day, but it doesn't happen here that often, but it happens. Yeah, so there's my mate's place here, and he's about 7:30 in the morning at the moment, and he's got to go out and shake the leaves down. Say good morning, Randall.
Good morning.
This apparently is a bit of a ritual. This is what you do. This is one of your jobs.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, smile.
I hate this stuff. Oh.
There's a bit of complaining going on.
Yeah. And you don't take time to put the car in?
Hey, don't forget this one here.
Oh, yeah.
Bit of an issue here, Randall.
Yeah, we'll get through it.
He's not happy, the big fella.
Yeah, we'll get through it.
I've had the plough in and everything this morning.
Yep.
Whoa. You better wait for him.
He's a little bigger than we are, don't you think?
Well done, mate. We're stuck.
No. Tell you others don't get stuck. They just go slow.
Righto, VideoDiary signing off. Here's cheers. Bye.